Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to set up my 2024 bullet journal, which is in my brand new bullet journal in the green23. I really hope that 2024 is going to be a great year, as 2023 didn't go that well for me. Setting up a new journal often gives me hope and excitement, leading to lots of different possibilities. I also decided to do a few different themes, using some of my favorite materials and different techniques in this year's plan with me. Remember to watch to the end to see all of my different setups and let me know which one you like the best. I will be using stickers, drawing, stamping, creating Dutch doors, etc. It will be fun, I promise. Here's a spread I created in my other notebook to help me plan all the different spreads I wanted to include in my 2024 journal setup, including a future log, a period tracker, a social media growth tracker, a reading log for my books to read goal, my goals page, etc. Making a spread to help me plan out my new bullet journal setup was the best idea I had this year. I also didn't have to do a grid spacing page because my new bullet journal already had one. If you don't know much about this journal I'm using, you can check out my review of this notebook from last month. I will also pop the link here for your reference. I am using a lot of different supplies in this setup. In total, I ended up setting up 29 pages based on the page count in this new bullet journal. I will list all the materials I'm using in the description below if you are interested in any of the items. You can also leave me a comment and let me know if you have any questions or comments about my setups. One of my favorite type of spreads to set up is a Dutch door. This month I'm using my crafting materials such as my sticker sheets and washi tapes to set up this Dutch door. I think it turned out so beautifully. Two things I want to track the most for the whole year is my period and also my reading. In 2023, I set a goal to read 12 books, 1 book a month. However, I ended up failing that goal miserably. I can blame it on a lot of things that happened during my life throughout the past 12 months, but I don't want to have to come up with excuses again by the end of 2024. Therefore, I decided to make these trackers to help keep me motivated. Do you also like yearly trackers? Finally, we are at my cover page for 2024. This is probably my favorite page of my whole 2024 bullet journal setup. I love it so much. I wanted to make a page that went with the vintage vibe of the Dutch doors, but also connect with the other florals I have on other pages. Therefore, I decided to do some floral drawings again, incorporating a vintage typewriter in my drawing. If you know me from when I first started bullet journaling, I used to draw a lot of florals, and a lot of my followers love seeing these drawings. I hope to do more drawings of different types of flowers in 2024. I am thinking about doing 1 different type of flower per month. What do you think? This last section is a different type of Dutch door than the one I did in the beginning. This time, I'm keeping the top or header part the same, so that I can see all the titles on the top each time I flip. This Dutch door spread will be used to keep track of my wish list. My wish list includes things I want to buy, things I want to try, and places I want to go. I will also keep track of key dates like when I purchased, when it was delivered, a description of what it is, etc. I did something like this last year, and I found it to be super helpful. Maybe you can give it a try as well. These spreads here, I'm using materials I got from Mushyworks. I'm making social media growth trackers. My growth hasn't been significant this year, and I'm trying to figure out why. If you like my videos, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. It will greatly help me. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please consider subscribing, commenting, and liking this video to help support my channel. Thank you, and feel free to check out any of these other videos.